Susan Avello here with Lean Bean Chef, and I'm going out to Working Cow's Dairy, which is about 15 minutes from my house, and I'm going to source some ingredients for my client dinner party tonight. And I am looking for certified organic butter to use in my champagne beurre blanc sauce, and I'm excited about that. I'm glad I can go out and source these ingredients locally. I know where they come from. I know they're organic, and I can trust the farmers that that are local. And it's so great that we can use these local ingredients, these local farmers, because it's actually in turn giving back to the community and working for me. It's just great all around, and I'll see you out there. So we're driving up to the dairy. I probably shouldn't be driving and doing a video. That's pretty dangerous. But here we are. Let's see if I can turn this around. We're at Working Cow's Dairy, and we're gonna pick up our goodies. Oh, looky. Aw. Can you see the cows? Aren't they cute? Hey, smells so cute. My mom loves to come out here with me because she loves the smell of cow manure. I think it reminds her of growing up around that smell. It's funny how those things work, and things that remind us of our childhood, and yeah, kind of remind us of those things that are familiar. Smells do that, don't they? Like smells of perfumes, and they take us back to places, maybe places that remind us of good things or bad things. It's funny how that works. So let's go out to see what we can grab here. Better get my money. Got a check. Can you believe I still use an old-timey check? Oh, looky. Here's the guard. Can you see? Hello. Hello, pup. So we're here at Working Cows, and they actually have a stand out here where you can come pick up your goodies. And I'm gonna look for some butter here. I really need a pound. Let's see if I can find a pound. And I just happened to see a pound of butter. And I can actually get my pound of butter. Oh, look who's here. It's Risky.
Hey. We got organic inspection today.
Do you?
Yeah, go take some of that good butter with you.
I needed some butter. I'm doing a sauce, so I needed to run out here and get some butter.
Sauce and cream.
I'm doing a beurre blanc, so a champagne beurre blanc. So I needed some good butter. And good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thank
And I'll see you next time.
See you later. I'll see you.
Yes. So we're going to just write our check, and if they weren't here, we would just leave it. It's on the honor system. Now, how cool is that? Maybe the pup would make sure that we paid. I'm not even sure how much I'm paying here. Let's see. Butter. Look, there it tells you. Butter is $7. So we know how much to pay. I'm sure tax is included. Dollars. Voila. How cool is that? Come on out and support local, and get some fresh organic cheese, butter. They've got milk. They've got chocolate milk, and all kind of great things. I'm Susan Avello. Thanks for watching.